travelers, coming to you today with something special, a little bit different than the usual content that we provide you, but it's for a very exciting reason. It's because we want to tell you all about these. These are Allbirds, and they are our favorite shoes that we have ever owned. The most comfortable, the most durable, and the best for the environment. Now, what I want to tell you right off the jump, right from the beginning, is that this is not some kind of sponsorship. We're not being paid to tell you about Allbirds. In fact, we reached out to them. Now, we are going to have a partnership here, which is the main point of this video, is to announce that partnership, and we are very excited about that. And full disclosure, it is an affiliate program. So if you use our link, which you'll find in the description of this and every other video going forward on this channel, we will receive a small commission of that sale. But that's not why we're excited about this partnership. We reached out to them, like I said, because we wanted to start changing the world little by little. And of course, with us being travel agents and making travel videos, we're always looking for ways to improve your travel experience. So putting those two things together led us to inquiring about this partnership, and now us telling it to you, telling you all about it and what's going to be going on with that. It's going to be beneficial for everyone, beneficial for our beautiful world, and it's just going to be a great thing all around. Now, Chelsy and I had always said that we never wanted to partner with or promote any kind of product or service or anything like that through our social media channels, through our travel agency, whatever, unless it was something that we actually personally used or had experience with, and something that we believed in, something that we would actually be comfortable making a personal recommendation with. And that's what Allbirds is. That's what led me to reach out to them to ask about partnering up on this, because I believe so much in this product. Chelsy believes so much in this product and this brand and this organization, this company, about what, you know, their mission statement is, what they're all about, and the actual shoes themselves, because that's important too, right? So to give a little bit of a background, I had always been the type of person that I would go buy the cheapest pair of shoes, 20 bucks or whatever, at the store, and run them ragged, just absolutely destroy them until they were literally falling apart, and then I would go buy the next cheapest pair of shoes. And so it's just never been that much on my mind. And then we took a trip to New York City. I walked around for a week in old ragged shoes and absolutely annihilated my feet. And so from that point on, I thought, I need something better. I'm a very heavy walker, a heavy stepper. I need something better to support me and give me that energy, give me that, you know, good health with my feet to keep going and go on all these adventures, go on all these travels like we do. And I also needed something for when I'm doing all those ship tours, going up 18 decks of a cruise ship, taking the stairs every time, walking around all these all-inclusive resorts or these private islands and giving you guys the tours, showing you on video what they're all about. I needed something that could support doing that. And so I did some research, and immediately, what came up consistently for the most comfortable pair of shoes was Allbirds. That fact alone had me interested, but once I actually clicked on their website, did some more reading about them, found out how environmentally conscious they were, then I knew I was going to be hooked once I tried the product and ensured that I actually liked it. And so I ordered my first pair of Allbirds shoes about probably 2 years ago now, and was hooked right away. We were actually on a trip to the theme parks. I put them on. I had my parents bring them. We met them there because they got shipped home while we were traveling somewhere else. I had them bring them. I'm so excited to try them out. I put them on, done. Hooked from then on out. I have not bought another brand of shoes since then, only Allbirds. And the fact is, I'm actually wearing those original shoes right now. I wear them every day as we go for our walks out here in this nature area, mile-long, 2-mile-long walks. They're still holding up. The only reason I've bought any other shoes from them is because I just love them so much. They do have different styles. I love the colors that they offer. It did turn me into a shoe person. It made me want to get more stuff. But the durability aspect of it has completely held up. They have not fallen apart at all. They are in great shape, and my feet are so comfortable. I never have as much foot fatigue as I used to. I actually have hardly any now, even when I'm doing those tours, even when we're walking around all day, even when we're going for hikes or doing walks like this. It just doesn't happen. They really do support that well. They're made that high of quality. And again, the environmental standards of it all. And those environmental standards Allbirds is a certified B Corp, which means they are all about the environment. They're willing to sacrifice more profits to have more sustainability, more renewable resources, better disposal methods, things like that. They try to become carbon neutral by doing offset methods to reduce the impact of the creation of the shoes. And they're already doing that by the materials they're using, the methods that they're using. For example, the only animal fiber they use in their shoes is wool, which of course is very renewable, a very easy resource to obtain. And so past that though, they do take initiatives. They partner with certain organizations to reduce that environmental impact, whether it's through clean energy or cleanup projects, whatever it might be. They're doing a great job, and we absolutely love that. That's something that we definitely firmly believe in. Of course, that's super important to be environmentally conscious and be a good organization and have, good mission statement, good pillars of beliefs and things like that. But unfortunately, it all gets lost if you don't have the product to support it, if you don't have the service to support it. Luckily, that's not the case with Allbirds. As I said, these shoes are amazing. It took someone who cared nothing about shoes and now has a partnership with a shoe company just because I believed in them that much, and Chelsy believed in them too. She owns several pairs. I own several pairs now, and that's the really cool thing with the products. Not only, we say great shoes, but what does that mean? They have all kinds of different shoes, all kinds of different types. They have running shoes, hiking shoes, everyday just walking shoes, lounge shoes, flats, different colors available. We love going for some of the brighter, more extravagant colors. If you watch our videos, that shouldn't come as a surprise to you. But they also have them in more neutral tones as well. They'll do limited releases where they have certain colors or certain styles only for a limited amount of time. You get a better product. You're investing in your health. You're investing in your feet. You're helping the earth while you're doing it. That's what led to us inquiring with Allbirds, seeing if they had a program that we could partner up on, and luckily they do, and now we get to share that with you guys. So what that means is if you use our affiliate link and you order a pair of shoes, of course, as I mentioned, we will receive a small token of appreciation for that. So helping us out, which is nice. But like I said, it's not about that. It's really about just letting you be exposed to a better product, something that can help you in your travels, keep your feet good, keep your energy going, and let you have something that's going to last and make you comfortable as you travel, as you go around to these different places. The offer that we have here is that if you order a pair of shoes through our affiliate link, you will get a free pair of socks from Allbirds at checkout. And you cannot get that just going to their website. So you need to use our affiliate link to get that. Put your shoes in your cart, add your socks to your cart, and they will be reduced to $0 upon checkout. So everybody's winning, everybody's getting something. Again, I cannot stress this enough. We're not being paid to tell you this. There's really not much incentive for us to be telling you this. Yes, there is a small commission. I'm only telling you that just because I feel like I should disclose that to you. Again, it's not why we're doing it though. I get emails every day, every single day, about, hey, let's partner up on this product, let's partner up on this software, this program. You can share it with your followers, and we always turn them down because it's not something we know, it's not something we believe in. This was different. This was something I said, more people need to know about this. We need to share this with our followers. It's been so beneficial to us. I totally believe it could be beneficial to you as well. Thanks for listening, guys. We'll see you next time. Happy travels.